Okay, the old headlights have come off. Okay, we now remove the grill and the grill guard. The driver's side headlight assembly has been removed. And the passenger side headlight assembly has also been removed. We will also replace this pathetic soft-sounding horn. With a brand new pair of PIAA horns. I think I chose the right spot for both horns. I can bolt them on tightly now. Meanwhile, the engine bay has been thoroughly cleaned. The new headlights of the Sprinter are here. With a new headlight installed on the right side. And a new headlight assembly on the left side. Got new side marker bulb for the right side. A new side marker bulb for the left side. New turn signal bulbs. We also put new LED low beam bulbs and new bright yellow high beam bulbs. There you go, the high beams, bright yellow high beams.